Okay, now I want to show you how to do a tag. So if you have a match and you want to send it to your coach, or a coach wants to send to the player, and you want to highlight certain areas that you want the coach or player to look at, what you do is, so you're in my library right here, and we're going to open up a clip to annotate it. And so here's the video opened up, and we can start the video right here. And we can see right here, so we can start the tag right here. The player's getting ready to serve, and let's say we want to make a tag for 2 seconds to 7 seconds. We got to fill in the zeros there. And 07, and it's just 2 to 7 seconds. We'll title it just 1 and save it. And we have one tag. Now let's just make another tag. And we'll say from, let's say, 10 seconds to 15. Now you could do this for any time period in a match. You could do it for a whole match. And this is really where it's best, is in a whole match, where you don't want to have the coach review the whole thing. So you can just give him the areas of a match that you want him to review. Now we've got 2 tags. Here are the tags right here. And we're going to play the tags. Okay, from 2 to 7 seconds. And you can see right here 2, and you can play it over here to 7 seconds. And you can record beyond that, but it's just showing you where the tag is that the player wants you to look at. And here you can see there's a tag. The second tag is 10 to 15 seconds, and you play it, and there you've got 10 to 15 seconds where it's red. You can record beyond, but you just can stop right at the red tag. Okay, and that's how you tag a video. And then once you send that video to the coach, then the coach will be able to open it up, and he'll know exactly where to go in the match to analyze it.